Surprise, surprise, you're in here. It's Dijon checking in with you from Baltimore, Maryland at a Delta hotel by Marriott, and I didn't get an upgrade because I didn't ask for one. But this hotel has some unique features, including an Elite Pantry that I have access to, as well as a bathroom Bluetooth speaker that's overhead. So let's check that out. Move the waters. So for this travel secret, we're going to clean AirPods. I snagged a toothbrush from the Elite Pantry, and I'm going to use that throwaway disposable toothbrush to clean the dirt and grime out of the inside of these AirPods. Give it a little brush. You can also get a toothbrush from the front desk at most hotels. And I'm going to clean inside here as well. And then, of course, I'm going to toss this toothbrush. And remember, whatever you do, don't subscribe because I don't want anyone knowing our secrets.